Bring a friend home to Sri Lanka this year and stand a chance to win amazing prizes. 1 year stay at a Cinnamon Life apartment, the most exclusive urban escape in the heart of Colombo. Or a 7-day stay at Cinnamon Hotels for 3 consecutive years with airfare included, courtesy of Sri Lankan Airlines. 500,000 rupees worth of jewelry from Colombo jewelry stores and so much more. Here's what you have to do. Step 1. Register and invite. Visit our website www.bringafriendhome.com and click on the option Recommend to a Friend. Create your own account with your email address and contact number and log into your account. Once you reach this step, you will get access to all our shareable content, which can be shared on WhatsApp, Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, and email. Create your very own customized postcard or download a custom-made letter that can be shared with a friend. Use our hashtag bringafriendhomesl and share content tagging all your friends. The one who invites is called the referee. Remember, everyone can be a referee if you are of Sri Lankan origin, living in Sri Lanka or overseas, or an expatriate living in Sri Lanka. Step 2. Accept. The friend who accepts the invitation and purchases any of the 8 packages on either bringafriendhome.com or on our partner site kapruka.com to go to Sri Lanka is the invitee. The invitee can be any foreign passport holder or a Sri Lankan expatriate. Step 3. Travel. This is the fun part. All part of the amazing packages on offer. Create inspiring moments by basking in the glory of our breathtaking beaches. Sip our world-famous tea, indulge in our amazing variety of food, enjoy our traditional dancing, and explore our rich wildlife. All part of the amazing packages on offer. We have something for everyone. From the short stay trips where you can discover the city of Colombo while staying at Cinnamon Lakeside or Cinnamon Red, or the long stay trips full of fun in the sun and adventure, where you can explore while staying at a range of cinnamon resorts in Sri Lanka. We also give you the option to personalize your tour with us to suit your travel needs. And that's not all. Even the invitee gets rewarded when they purchase their package and travel to Sri Lanka with a raffle draw. First prize for the raffle draw for invitees are a 5-night stay at Cinnamon Don Valley, Maldives with 2 air tickets courtesy of Sri Lankan Airlines and a sapphire stone ring from Colombo jewelry stores worth 1 million rupees. The second prize includes a 5-night stay at Cinnamon Don Valley, Maldives. The promotion runs from 1st August 2019 to 10th December. Travel should be completed before 15th December 2019. Helping your motherland recover and rebuilding our tourism brand is only a few clicks away. Lend a hand, bring a friend home, and show them the wonders of our nation.